everybody, it's me, Miss Foot Fixer. I hope you guys are well. I have this lovely patient here that I've seen for quite a while. How long have I seen you for?
About a year.
A year. And how did you find us?
Perfect. I actually found that the tools here are more professional than other surgeons that I've been to. And
really?
I find that you are also very professional in your approach as well. You're very good. I've never had any complaints ever. My feet has improved so much since I've been coming to this surgery from last year, because all these other surgeries, Harley Street here, London Bridge, hit and miss. Some of them have got like okay equipment, like, so I checked their equipment online, which is the best and the worst. They always say what equipment they use. But I found that here, here in this surgery here, the best equipment is used here, and I just love coming to this surgery more than any other.
This lovely patient is not sucking up to me, okay? I didn't tell him to say this. He just genuinely said it. So thank you. I'm like kind of like a bit like shell-shocked. I'm like, what? You're so sweet. Oh.
It's because you're good at what you do.
Oh, thank you.
It's just natural. Like, I cook food, so I know naturally I can cook. If you're naturally good at something, then
I know
you are exceptionally good at doing this.
It's weird, isn't it? Once you're good at something, you just, it's so easy. Like you're cooking, like you mentioned, you're cooking, right? It's so easy. I can't cook you wouldn't want me to cook for you. I think you'll get food poisoning and a bit of diarrhea, maybe.
I think you're trying to call me.
Not intentionally, but I wouldn't. Give me a scalpel blade any day. I probably can cut up some chicken. I can be your, is it sous chef where they help out? Is that
sous chef?
Yeah. Yeah. Did they help out?
Chef de partie, I think.
Okay, the chef de partie.
Or commis chef.
Okay,
that's
commis
the
chef.
one that helps and preps and cuts onions and stuff.
I'll just be that. And if you want me to like do a bit of decoration, I can probably put things in a circle or drop a little tiny drop of stuff. But generally, I'm not that great. So you're planning to start you have a channel that got hacked, right?
It was an Instagram account that got hacked. I had loads of photos on there of all of the foods I cook in this world. I couldn't get those photos back because the account was. So what I've had to do is create a whole new account and cook everything all over again, which I haven't completed yet. Because I sort of see it as I could use Instagram as a portfolio for the things that I can cook. Yeah, it's like a unofficial TV.
And what kind of cuisine?
Me, I'm variety, but me, I just want to like foods that are like not too heavy, like the lamb and the beef and the chicken. I know it's very nice, but like red meat these days, I can only eat red meat like once a week. Okay. Because otherwise I get indigestion. It takes days for it to digest. Oh, no. So red meat, but fish and everything else.
Just back for me a little bit, thank you. Yep, that's great. Yeah, I'm like that too. When I was younger, you're young, but when I was younger, I had could eat anything, and now if I eat too much like spicy food or like meat curries and things like that, my stomach doesn't actually can't really tolerate it, to be honest. So this crack here is annoying.